What is up, everybody? Welcome back to RC's Gateway to Comics. I am RC, and today we are going to be talking about the importance of keeping track of lore. Now, this can apply to pretty much any sort of creative project, whether it be a comic book, or a fiction novel, or even a weekly webcomic. Now, I'm sure that a lot of you have seen on YouTube videos of plot holes in movies. And I'm sure that everyone gets a laugh out of that, or I don't know, if you're familiar with Cinema Sins or any sort of channel like that, then you would know that they point out a lot of the things that maybe the writers got wrong or someone on the production team missed in the background. And it'll bring you laughs, yeah, but as the creator, you definitely want to be able to avoid that sort of stuff happening to you. So you want to be able to make sure that you have descriptions of your characters written down somewhere so that you can consult them. You don't want your character to, in one shot, going to be having blonde hair, and then in the next issue they're going to have brown hair, or they're talking about being one age in one panel, and then several issues down the line they're suddenly 20 years older because someone forgot how old the character was. And being able to have something to look back on, to consult, will definitely help you stay away from losing that lore. If you have like a magic system, you are going to want to plan that out in advance so that you know what that magic is able to do, who can use it, if it is channeled through the person or through an object, then you need to know that. Find out what magical beings there are, what exists in your world, and write that down. If there's a detail that you think you may need to remember later on down the line, write it down. It can be invaluable to you if you have that available to you at a moment's notice. You can have it saved on a file on your computer. You could even have it written down in like just a book somewhere. I have published 5 different novels. Currently working on another one. These are fiction novels, not comic books, but it's something that is near and dear to me, and I could not imagine not writing down how stuff in my world works. I have character descriptions. I have descriptions of the ships, since it's a series revolving around pirates, and I have the locations that they've gone to, the years that it's supposed to take place in, and if I want to go back and see, okay, does this character have an eye patch? Then I have that written down in my series Bible or my lore notebook, whichever one you want to call it. Having all that stuff and having it to start out with before you begin your story will definitely make the creation process a lot easier to you, and it's something that I highly recommend people do, because the more that you have planned out beforehand, the quicker that you're going to be able to get that creative process started, built, and finished. Because you won't have to worry about constantly going back several pages to see what color's the love interest's eyes. You'll know that because you'll have it written down. Easy access, planned out, and concise. All in one place. Definitely keep that in mind because it is extremely important. Let me know your thoughts on lore and your process for keeping track of lore in the comments section below. Please leave a like on this video as well and subscribe if you want to see videos similar to this one. Thank you all for watching, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Peace out.